Hi, welcome you all to the today's session on sports. In this session, guess your favorite cricketer's tagline. Subscribe our channel to get the notifications immediately. Let us move on to the session. 1. Who is the Chanakya of cricket? Options are Ricky Ponting from Australia, MS Dhoni from India, De Villiers from South Africa. Answer is option B, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Dhoni, as a captain whose tactics in critical situations led our Indian team in the path of victory many times. Moreover, in the Virat Kohli's captainship also, Dhoni guided in every little things like setting fields, taking DRS decisions, sorting out bowler combinations and all. That is why Dhoni is known as the Chanakya of cricket. Number 2. Who is the Rawalpindi Express in cricket? Options: Shoaib Akhtar from Pakistan, Yuvraj Singh from India, and Yunis Khan from Pakistan. Answer is Shoaib Akhtar from Pakistan. Shoaib Akhtar was nicknamed as Rawalpindi Express as a tribute to his hometown and fastest bowling. He is recognized as the fastest bowler in the history of cricket, delivering a world record top speed of 161.3 km per hour. 3. Who is the father of cricket? Options: W.G. Grace from England, Sir Donald Bradman from Australia, Nawab Manzoor Ali Khan Pataudi from India. Answer is option A, W.G. Grace. William Gilbert Grace, an English amateur cricketer, was so important in the development of the sports cricket. W.G. Grace's technical innovations and enormous influence left a lasting legacy. An outstanding all-rounder, W.G. Grace excelled at the essential skills of batting, bowling, and fielding also. He is renowned known for his batting especially. That is why he is known as the father of cricket. Fourth question. Who is known as the Great Wall of Indian Cricket? Options: Gautam Gambhir, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid. Answer is option C, Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid, the Great Wall, was devised because of innings such as the 270 runs he made in more than 12 hours against Pakistan in 2004, which is the longest by an Indian batsman in the Test history. Also, Dravid had a solid defense, tremendous concentration, and discipline. He is a great supporter, patient player at all times. That is why he is the Great Wall of our Indian cricket team. Fifth one. Who is known as the Dawn of cricket? Options are Sir Donald George Bradman. Option B, Sunil Gavaskar from India. C, Steve Waugh from Australia. Answer is option A, Sir Donald Bradman from Australia. Sir Donald George Bradman, an Australian cricketer, made first-class centuries in such a way that his Test batting average is 99.94. He is acknowledged as the greatest batsman of all the times. Sixth one. Who is the Yorker King of Indian cricket team? Options: Kuldeep Yadav, Bumrah, Mohammad Sami. Answer is option B, Jasprit Bumrah. Bumrah from our Indian team uses Yorker, the lethal weapon, very effectively and accurately with the most consistency, which threatens the batsman, leads our Indian team in the path of victory in the recent times. He has ICC ranking number 2 in ODIs in the past few years. Seventh one. Who is the ODI monster in cricket? Options are Chris Gayle from West Indies, David Warner from Australia, Rohit Sharma from India. Answer is Rohit Sharma from India. Rohit Sharma, the Indian best opening batsman, is familiar for his unique batting strategy. He is the only batsman who scored 3 double centuries in the one-day internationals history. Eighth one. Who is known as the Prince of Trinidad in cricket? Options are Jacques Collis from South Africa, Brian Lara from West Indies, and Dane John Bravo from West Indies. Answer is option B, Brian Lara. Brian Charles Lara, the West Indies cricketer from the place of Trinidad, has the record for the highest individual score in first-class cricket with 501 not out and 400 not outs and on. As a tribute to his hometown and his cricket history, he is known as the Prince of Trinidad or the Prince of Cricket, who is known as the God of Cricket. Options are Sachin Tendulkar from India, Virat Kohli from India, and Michael Clarke from Australia. Answer is none other than Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the Indian cricketer, holds almost every record in cricket history which can't be expressed in few words. The only cricketer who played 200 tests, 100 international centuries, 62 Man of the Match awards, and 18,426 runs in ODIs. Like that, the list goes on. That is why the cricket fans used to tell, if cricket is a religion, then Sachin is the god of that. 10th one. Who is known as the pigeon in cricket? Options are McGrath, Shane Warne, Steve Smith from Australian team. Answer is Glenn McGrath. Glenn McGrath, the Australian cricketer, is the most consistent bowler in terms of lines and length. His average bowling speed was 131 kilometers per hour. He is called as the pigeon in cricket because of his very thin legs. Hi cricket fanatics, don't forget to enter your scores in the comment section. Give your valuable feedback always. Provide your support by subscribing and sharing with your friends and cricket sports lovers. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.